Hello friends, welcome to our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course. In this lecture, we will understand the journey of quality. So, stay tuned and enjoy this amazing lecture. In the 1930s, Walter Shewhart came up with SPC, which is Statistical Process Control. In SPC, statistical methods were used to monitor and control processes. In the 1960s, Dr. Ishikawa developed the concept of quality circles. Quality circles are the group of people who work on similar tasks and meet on regular basis to discuss and solve problems related to work. There are multiple benefits of this approach, like increase in productivity, cost reduction, improvement in quality of work, improved communication between employees, and it also boosts the morale of the employees.
In 1987, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, adopted quality system standards, which were later got revised in 1994 and then in 2000. Baldrige Award criteria were developed by the U.S. Congress to raise awareness about the quality management system and to recognize companies that have successfully implemented quality management systems. In 1988, benchmarking came up as a good practice. In this, organizations learn from the one who is performing best from a group of organizations working in the same field. The objective is to understand how these performance levels are achieved and how to use this information to improve performance. In the 1990s, a balanced scorecard was introduced. It is a management tool that helps managers align their activities with the organization's goals. In 1996, the concept of re-engineering was introduced. It is also known as business process re-engineering. This involves the restructuring of the entire organization. That is it for today. Thank you for watching our lecture. Have a wonderful day.